In a 6-3 decision, the court sided with parents seeking to withdraw their children from public school lessons featuring LGBTQ+ themed books. The justices said school officials in Montgomery County, Maryland, may not require children to participate in lessons that conflict with their parents' religious beliefs. Writing for the majority, Justice Samuel Alito says in part, quote, "We have long recognized the rights of parents to direct the religious upbringing of their children." He wrote, "And we have held that those rights are violated by government policies that substantially interfere with the religious development of children." In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor starts by quoting from a 1987 opinion describing public schools as at once the symbol of our democracy and the most pervasive means for promoting our common destiny. But that idea will become a mere memory, she argues, if children must be insulated from exposure to ideas and concepts that may conflict with their parents' religious beliefs. EWTN News White House correspondent Owen Jensen was able to directly ask President Trump today about the High Court's decision in the press briefing room.
Go ahead.
Sir, on the transgender ruling, the Supreme Court ruling that parents with religious objections can pull their kids out of public school lessons that use LGBTQ materials.
Okay.
Pam brought it up. Your reaction to that ruling today, sir?
I think the ruling was a great ruling, and I think it's a great ruling for parents. It's really a ruling for parents. They lost control of the schools. They lost control of their child, and this is a tremendous victory for parents.
All right, joining us now is the attorney who argued the case. Eric Baxter is Vice President and Senior Counsel at Becket. Eric, thank you so much for joining us. Your reaction to the ruling?
The First Amendment did its job today and vindicated the right of parents to direct the religious upbringing of their children. When you send your kids to public school, you don't expect them to be exposed to indoctrination that tells them that doctors guessed at their sex when they were born, that teaches them that their pronouns can change multiple times a day, or that introduces them to concepts you would only find at a pride parade. So this really restores the right of parents to make the decisions about how and when these kinds of topics are taught to their children.
And what sort of implications do you see this case having for parents' rights nationwide?
Yeah, it really benefits parents of all political stripes, of all religious persuasions. Anybody might be in a situation where they disagree with something that's taught in their schools, and they would have the right now to let their child opt out. It's really a great way also to promote pluralism, allowing people to disagree. Even when we have strong disagreements, we can respect each other by allowing each other to live out their own beliefs.
And what happens next for the students in Montgomery County?
Hopefully more opportunities in school, more freedom to live out their faith, even in a public setting.
All right, Eric Baxter, thank you.